Alright, we are back, and we're ready to open the next 12 packs from this OS3 box, and there's only one thing to say. Godspeed. So on part 1, oh, and this gum is loose, nice. In part 1, we pulled 3 cards that I would say are potential PSA 10s. And I've decided, that gum baby, I've decided that I'm gonna send this entire set to get PSA graded.
Bullshit.
That way... Oh, what is this? Excuse me. Excuse me. Wardrobe malfunction, everybody. I apologize. And I just lost my train of thought. Who cares? Green Dean. Nice. Darren. Creamed Keith. Sticky Ricky.
Oops, my bad.
And I don't think you guys can notice this on the camera, but the edges are jacked up. The way they're cut. And this set was produced in USA, but this is almost like a set that's produced in Canada, because Canadian sets are known for the jagged edges when they cut them. The gum card was Mushy Marsha. And actually, guys, we're going to have to open up the gum jar of Broken Dreams to deposit these gum shards. 1 second. And I'm going to try to speed this up as best I can because the GoPro is on limited power. Yes, I should have charged it, but I live dangerously. You know what I'm saying? Alright, here we go. Pack number 2. Okay. Yep. Bunch of shards. Bunch of shards going on. Let me look at the... Yeah, you could hardly see gum stains on the back of this card. So that's good news. Okay, Large Marge. Underrated card, in my opinion. Marvin Gardens. Nice. Karate Kate. Snooty Sam. And one of my favorites, KO'd Cody. The gum card. And that's the second pack in a row with those jagged edges. It is what it is. I'm hoping that this right corner, these right corner packs that I pulled aren't all the same. Meaning they don't all have those jagged edges. But you know what? It's about the artwork. Forget the centering, forget the corners, forget the cuts. Berserk Kirk. Nice. US Arnie. Great card. Great card. Another Marvin Gardens. Stoned Sean. And the gum card is Rocky and Roll. I was going to try to do more packs in this video. But you know what? 12 packs per video. I think it's a nice number. Ooh, this one's warped. I'm going to show you right there. It's warped. Nothing a heavy textbook can't fix. Thank you, GPK Forever, for that advice. Tatum Pole. King Size Kevin. I believe that's the 3rd time we pull this card. Grim Jim. Hippie Skippy. And the gum card, Gluey Gabe. Bullseye Berry. Green Dean. Good Shiza. Oof, love the color play on that one. Peepin' Tom. Hippy Skippy. And a Pat Splat. That Peepin' Tom, Hippy Skippy look really nice, by the way. Man, I don't remember. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of things as a kid that you don't remember. And like my parents, my mom, my dad, whoever, they would always buy me packs here and there. They never bought me an entire box. But I don't remember pulling so many US Arnie's and Snooty Sam's. I always thought like those two cards were on the rarer side for the set. Okay, US Arnie. Berserk Kirk. Creamed Keith. Beth Death. And this one looks super legit. I'm going to put this one to the side. 1 second, everybody. And the gum card, Croakin' Callin'. Can it come off? Yes, it can. In pieces. Okay, I feel like we're performing surgery. Come on, come on. I don't want to take this to the freezer. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it to the freezer. Let's put this to the side. Okay, I'm running out of space over here. You can't tell. You can't tell through the video, but it's crowded. I have so many GPK related items around me. And I'm gonna give you guys a pro tip.
Trust me.
I sleeve all the cards I open. But when I started getting back into GPK, I wasn't sleeving the cards. So I would just have like these mountains of cards everywhere. So finally, last week when I started to inventory them, it took me forever. It took me 2 straight days, and I still have a couple piles over there. And when I say piles, I mean piles of bricks. But anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's go. Well done, Sheldon. I really, really like that card. Dwight Bite. A Karate Kate. The Return. Nice, nice, nice. Bullseye Berry. And the gum card, Green Dean. Okay, nope, nope, nope. Don't do it, James. Don't do it. Alright, so about 5 packs. So what set should I break next? What series should I break next? And you can't say OS1 because I'm not about to pay $30K for a box like that. I'm not going to do OS2 because I've already mentioned it in my OS2 videos. Alice Island. I've already mentioned it in my OS2 videos that I'm going to be building that setup. Building that set up is what I mean, not setup. Pack by pack. I think it'll be cheaper that way. Charlotte Webb. Babbling Brook, aka Babbling James. Rocky and Roll. And this card is growing on me. This card. He is a hound dog, baby. Large Marge. The gum card. Alright, let's put that one to the side. Yep, yep. Like, it's the same cards that we're getting over and over. We're getting these Hippy Skippies. We're getting the Rocky and Rolls. We're getting the large Marges. The US Arnie's. And I know all the cards in the set, but now I'm forgetting them. Because we keep getting the same ones. Here we go. Bustin' Dustin. Ooh, this one's super sweet. Let's go ahead and put him with our Beth Death. Alice Island. Charlotte Webb. And Babylon Brook, the gum card. Ooh, I was about to say, this one right here, we haven't pulled too many. We have pulled one, Hothead Harvey. Which I believe, sincerely, is going to be a PSA 10 when I send it in. And I think we pulled... Was it Mugged Marcus or KO'd Cody? Only one time? So I would love to pull him again. Alright, so our first Roybot. Just like I was mentioning before, a bunch of Snooty Sams and US Arnie's. Fury Eric. Punchy Perry. And Sticky Rick. I think they got lazy. They forgot to put a Y there. I mean, just make it Sticky Ricky. Ooh, this one's centered. That one's super centered. Alright, 2 more packs. And then we're going to cut the video. And I'm looking at the GoPro. There's no battery sign right there. Hopefully we make it. No battery symbol, I mean. Alright, Farrah Fossil. Joe Blow. Silent Sandy. Beaky Becky. The gum card. Well done, Sheldon. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And man, my Alice Islands and Liberty Libbies are always either the wax stained cards or the gum cards. It's crazy. Anyways, we got a Liberty Bibberty. Berserk Kirk. Dwight Bite. Fishy Phyllis. And Green Dean. The gum card. This one's super blurry. Like double printed. Okay. Half the box down, half the box to go. I will see you in the next video.